If you want to know the best action movies, you should definitely watch our picks for the best ones of 2018. We hope you will enjoy the following ranking. Please let us know your favorite in the comments, and make sure to subscribe to never miss a good movie again.
Number 10. Den of Thieves 2018.
Get down! Get down! Sheriff's Department, stay down! Get down!
Den of Thieves is a 2018 heist action thriller film, written and directed by Christian Gudegast, and stars Gerard Butler, Curtis 50 Cent Jackson, and O'Shea Jackson Jr. An unstoppable force of human power against the most impossible robbery ever made. When $120 million is stolen by an elite crew of bank robbers in an ultimate heist right under the nose of LA's most feared law enforcement, consequences are at the horizon. A fast-paced and action-packed race against the clock to get things right and bring justice to the table.
They were en route to a bank pickup for a Fed drop, but there was nothing in the truck.
Nothing in the truck? They stole a fucking empty armored truck?
Yep.
Number 9. Solo, A Star Wars Story, 2018.
You won't have to take orders or be kicked around by anyone.
Ever.
Prior to the events of A New Hope, this installment explores the early adventures of Han Solo and Chewbacca, who together join a heist in the criminal underworld. Solo is a 2018 space western film, directed by Ron Howard, and starring Alden Ehrenreich as Han Solo, alongside Woody Harrelson, Emilia Clarke, and Donald Glover. This is the story of how the legendary Han Solo meets his future co-pilot Chewbacca, and came to be known as the galaxy's most notorious smuggler.
Captain Lando Calrissian.
Han Solo. Looks like you're having a good day.
I'm a lucky guy.
Can I ask you a question, Captain Calrissian?
Anything, Han? It's Han, but that's okay.
Number 8. Sicario, Day of the Soldado, 2018.
Sir! We have police vehicles approaching from the south. 5 clicks out. All right, load up!
Sicario, Day of the Soldado is a 2018 action crime film directed by Stefano Sollima and stars Benicio del Toro, Josh Brolin, Isabella Moner, and Jeffrey Donovan. This conclusion to the genre-shattering Sicario is impressing with more thrills, higher stakes, and the violent reality of drug wars. In this war, rules aren't applying. This is why the mysterious and effective Alejandro is used by the government to win it. After kidnapping the daughter of a cartel boss, the conflicts are more inflamed than ever.
Easy, guys, easy. Down, down. Se pide ayuda, por favor. Denos ayuda. Vamos a Policía Federal.
Number 7. Ant-Man and the Wasp, 2018.
Try that.
Sorry.
Ant-Man and the Wasp is a 2018 superhero film directed by Peyton Reed and stars Paul Rudd, Evangeline Lilly, Michael Pena, Hannah John Kamen, Lawrence Fishburne, and Michael Douglas. In the sequel to the presumably smallest Marvel movie comes a story that doesn't hold back by its size. As Scott is struggling to balance between both a superhero and a father, Dr. Hank Pym and Hope Van Dyne present an urgent new mission that finds him fighting alongside the Wasp to uncover secrets from their past.
What's going on with this suit? How much of a work in progress is this? Uh-oh. Oh, no. Come on.
Oh.
Number 6. Black Panther 2018.
Strike it.
Anyway.
Not that hard, genius!
Black Panther is a 2018 superhero film directed by Ryan Coogler and stars Chadwick Boseman, Michael B. Jordan, Lupita Nyong'o, Danai Gurira, Martin Freeman, and Letitia Wright. In this story of culture, identity, and finding your way in a world that seems to have lost its track, we follow King T'Challa of the Advanced Kingdom of Wakanda, who must step forward to lead his people into a new future. But with an enemy lurking from the shadows, T'Challa is given the obstacle of his life.
Strike it again in the same spot.
You're recording.
For research purposes.
Delete that footage.
Number 5. Ready Player One, 2018.
He gave us a place to go. A place called the Oasis.
Ready Player One is a 2018 science fiction action-adventure film directed by Steven Spielberg and stars Ty Sheridan, Olivia Cook, Ben Mendelsohn, Simon Pegg, and Mark Rylance. It takes place in 2045, when much of humanity uses virtual reality called the Oasis to escape the desolation of the real world. But when the creator of the Oasis dies, the teenager Wade Watts finds clues to a hidden game that promises Oasis's ownership to the winner, and he tries to complete it before a corporation can do so. Number 4. Upgrade 2018.
Oh, God, dear!
Upgrade is a 2018 cyberpunk action body horror film, written and directed by Leigh Whannell, and stars Logan Marshall Green, Betty Gabriel, and Harrison Gilbertson. Set in the near future, the story follows Gray Trace, a stay-at-home mechanic whose world is turned upside down after a mugging leaves him paralyzed. But he is offered a chip implant that will enable him to walk again and is his only hope for revenge. Hesitant at first, he finally accepts the offer, but soon realizes that it is not as easy as it seems.
I need your permission to operate independently.
Permission granted!
Thank you.
Number 3. Deadpool 2, 2018.
What's your name?
Captain Delicious Pants.
Who's Captain Delicious Pants?
Deadpool 2 is a 2018 superhero film directed by David Leitch and stars Ryan Reynolds, Josh Brolin, Morena Baccarin, Julian Dennison, Zazie Beetz, and TJ Miller. This sequel to the original surprise hit that changed the superhero genre is quite often even considered better than its predecessor. Deadpool is back with more violence, action, vulgarity, and a bit of love struggles. Now on an ultimate revenge trip, he finds himself haunted by time-traveling soldiers and gigantic mutants. Just a common day for the merc with a mouth.
Fire Fist!
Fire Fist. Ooh, that's a great name. Where does it burn? Just the fist or all the way up to the elbow? Oh, definitely all the way up to the elbow.
Number 2. Mission Impossible Fallout 2018.
Can you still make a mask?
I need a face to make a mask.
Sorry. I was aiming for his chest.
Mission Impossible Fallout is a 2018 action spy film written and directed by Christopher McQuarrie and stars Tom Cruise, Henry Cavill, Ving Rhames, Simon Pegg, Rebecca Ferguson, and Angela Bassett. 2 years after Solomon Lane's capture, the remnants of the Syndicate have reformed into another organization called the Apostles. The organization is planning on acquiring 3 plutonium cores, and Ethan and his team are sent to Berlin to intercept them. In a race against the clock, Ethan and his allies must now find the plutonium cores before it's too late.
Where's the needle?
Didn't need it.
Before we unveil movie number 1, here are a few honorable mentions.
Eyes, lungs, pancreas. So many snacks, so little time.
What are you doing? What just jumped? Should have a parachute.
Redheads! You gotta love them.
Fight for God, for honor, for country, for family, for yourselves I do not care, so long as you fight!
Number 1. Avengers: Infinity War, 2018.
I'm here to kill Thanos. He took my girl. Wait, who are you? We're the Avengers, man.
Avengers: Infinity War is a 2018 superhero film directed by Anthony and Joe Russo and stars an ensemble cast including Robert Downey Jr., Chris Hemsworth, Mark Ruffalo, Chris Evans, Scarlett Johansson, Benedict Cumberbatch, Tom Holland, Chadwick Boseman, Paul Bettany, Elizabeth Olsen, Zoe Saldana, Josh Brolin, and Chris Pratt. In his quest to save the galaxy from starvation and eventual extinction, Mad Titan Thanos plans to gather Infinity Stones that possess the power to wipe half the population of the universe. The Avengers must assemble once again and defeat Thanos before he acquires the 6 stones and curses humanity forever.
Tell me where the girl is, or I swear to you, I'm gonna French fry this little freak.
Let's do it. You shoot my guy and I'll blast him. Let's go. Do it, Quill. I can take it.
No, he can't take it.
She's right, you can't.
Do you agree with our list? Please let us know in the comments. If you want to know more about a particular movie in this list, you can check out our links in the video description. And for more top 10 movie videos, be sure to subscribe to Community TV.